Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Commonly Made Mistakes in P6 Word Problems. We're going to discuss two questions about average today. It's quite a challenging example of average question. If you'd like to try the question, remember to pause the video now. We need to find the number of girls in the group at first. Let's look at student's solution and try to spot the mistake. The student first found the difference in the two average, 156 minus 153 equals 3 centimeters. And next, he used 168 to divide by 3 to get 56 girls. His method is wrong, as in not all 168 centimeters of the new girl's height contribute to the increase of the average, but the extra amount. Let's see how to approach the question with big gap divided by small gap. There were some girls at first, and their average height is 153 centimeters, so we can assume all girls' height is 153 centimeters. When a new girl, whose height is 168 centimeters, joins the group, the new average height is 156 centimeters. It is an increase of 3 cm from the old average. However, for the tall girl who just joined the group, her height decreased by 12 cm. I believe many of you know the reason of increasing in average is because of the extra height the new girl had, which is to say the 12 centimeters. We call it the big gap. And the increase in average, the small gap. Now, let's look at the correct solution. We first find the big gap using 168 minus 156 equals 12 cm. And next, we find small gap using 156 minus 153 equals 3 cm. So, using big gap to divide by the small gap, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Hence, there were 4 girls in the group at first. And note that if we want to find the number of girls now, we need to plus 1. If you are slowly warming up to the topic, let's look at another big gap divided by small gap question. This question was looking for the number of pupils sat for the science test. Let's look at the student's solution first and try to find the mistake. This student first found the decrease in average, which is small gap, using 76.4 minus 76 equals 0.4. Next, he found the decrease in total, which is big gap, using 94 minus 78.4 equals to 15.6 marks. Lastly, he used big gap divided by small gap and got answer 39 pupils. It all seemed very correct. But his mistake was rather obvious as he compared the wrong set of data. And let's look at the detailed analysis first. The pupil's average science score was 78.4 marks at first. Due to a recording error, the pupil's actual average should be 76.4 marks. Hence, each pupil had a decrease of 2 marks. The decrease in average was caused by the decrease in total, which is difference between 94 and 76. So applying big gap divided by small gap will get us the number of pupils who sat for the science test. All right, let's quickly go through the correct solution. (94 minus 76 equals 18. This is the big gap. And to find a small gap, 78.4 minus 76.4, which is 2 marks. And 18 divided by 2 gets us 9 pupils sat for the test. As always, we prepared 2 self-practice questions for you to try. Answers of the two questions are provided. If you find our videos helpful or want any specific topics to be covered, please leave us a comment down below. See you next time.